Sometimes finding the best iced tea is just a hard luck story. Hey guys, welcome back to the Underground and more Tasting with Tom. That's because I'm Tom. If it's your first time here, welcome, and consider subscribing to the Grant the Pub Underground for great cocktail, entertaining, and basically just some fun with family and friends. Today on some Tasting with Tom, we're going to do something we did before, and that's taste some things and tell you what I think. As you can tell from the opening, I like iced tea. I drink iced tea in the summer. I mean, iced tea used to be like a summertime drink. Now it's an all year round drink. And there's a lot of hard iced teas on the market. And we're going to try some and tell you what I think. Total disclaimer, I've had all of them before, but I was just drinking them. I didn't, it wasn't like I was trying to figure out how they tasted and compare them to one another. So this should be interesting. And these were given to me. This was another thing that was given to me at my birthday. A friend of mine who knows I like this kind of stuff. Actually, it's two friends. They gave me a variety of things and we're going to try them. Now, I will tell you, some are malt based, some are liquor based, and one is a surprise at the end. So I think we'll start with the malt. Now the first one we're going to try is Arizona. Now we did Arizona before. If you remember, we did a tasting with Tom where we tasted the hard iced teas by the mainstream drink companies like Arizona, Lipton, Dunkin', that kind of thing. In the Arizona, on that one, it was the sweet tea, if I'm not mistaken. This is just regular Arizona hard, real brewed iced tea with lemon, contains 5% alcohol. This is a malt product. And let's give it a try and see what we think. Now, I think on the last one, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the Arizona sweet tea actually was the winner of that little showdown. It smells just like Arizona, like that you would get the not hard. It smells lemony. It smells iced tea like. It looks like a typical Arizona because it's like cloudy, and I mean I don't drink a lot of this stuff, so it's kind of hard to say if it tastes like the Arizona, but I mean it's good. It does. I do not get it doesn't have like an alcohol-y taste, so that's interesting. Again, there will be drinking in this video. If those kinds of sounds set you off in some manner, I apologize, but there's really no way around it. Next, let's do another Arizona. They basically took all their flavors of tea and made them into alcohol. This is, now when I was drinking like soft drinks, I would probably tend to go to this one, the Arizona Ginseng and Honey. Again, 5% alcohol, another malt product. Malt beverage with natural flavors, contains alcohol. It doesn't really say the ingredients, but we'll give her a go. Whoa. Is that supposed to be clear? That's weird. I don't remember this being clear. Is it? Oh, it's green tea, that's why. It doesn't really have much of an aroma. I think, if I recall correctly, and probably what I should have done is get the not hard versions of these and tried it against it. Again, it's not, I think it tastes like what I remember. I mean, it's not bad again. I guess I would drink that. Nothing wrong with that. Next, now we're going to move into the spirit based. These are both vodka based. And this one is High Noon. High Noon is gluten-free, no sugar added, 90 calories, gluten-free. Oh, it goes around all right. Let's see what, no high fructose corn syrup. That's good to know because there's no sugar. No artificial flavors, best served cold. Well, no duh. Product of High Noon Company, Modesto, California. Let's see. What's the alcohol in these? 4.5. So this is actually less than the malt ones. Now this is non-carbonated. Yeah, those don't look carbonated either. Now to me, right off, as you can see, like compared to this one, this looks more like mixed iced tea, where this one looks more like brewed iced tea. But it smells like mixed iced tea. It smells like, remember the powder? When I was a kid, I mean, I don't know how old you are, but if you were from my era, we had the powder tea. That's what this smells like. It smells a little like lemony. It tastes like tea. I think it very much tastes like tea. However, I think they dropped the ball a little bit on the no sugar added, because it does come off slightly like, you know, when you have old, or you have tea that's steeped too long, or it's old, it gets that little bitter taste. I think that could have done with a little bit of sugar, but all in all, this is very good. Now let's see what they say. Looks like you've made it to the back of the can. Oh, that's pretty funny. Not a ton happens here. Most of the good stuff happens on top. But it gives you a chance to compliment you and your choice of hard iced tea. You picked a good one. A hard iced tea crafted with real vodka and real iced tea. That's also a can-shaped reminder to always live like the sun is out. And since you've got a High Noon in hand, we'll wrap this up so you can start enjoying it. Well, that's pretty clever. Wow, that was pretty clever. So there's your High Noon, number 3. And the last one is this one here. This is called Sun Cruiser. Again, 4.5% alcohol. Vodka with tea, natural flavors, and artificial sweeteners. Now see, that's gonna, they probably brewed, canned by Sun Cruiser Beverage, Briningsville, PA. Under special agreement, Memphis, Tennessee, Latrobe, PA, Wisconsin, La Crosse, Wisconsin, Urbandale, California, an affiliate of Boston Beer Company. So this is basically a Sam Adams product, because that's Boston beer. Wow. Sun Cruiser is made with real iced tea, premium vodka, lemon juice, and a hint of sweetness. Smooth and easy drinking with no bubbles. Cruise into the weekend. No bubbles, 100 calories, gluten-free, 1 gram of sugar. And that says something down there, but I can't, per 12 ounce. So let's see what this one's all about. Again, it's clearer than the malt, but in comparison to this one's still the clearer and looks most tea-like. Right away, the first thing you get is the artificial sweetener. I don't know what they use because the ingredients are not on here, but it's just, 1 Yeah, that's you don't get tea. All you get is artificial sweetener. So if I were to rank them, this is definitely last. This is definitely first. That's the rankings. First is High Noon Tea, and then Arizona Hard Tea, Arizona Ginseng Green, and the Sun Cruiser. Now, these, let's see if I have in here, also come in flavors. Like the Sun Cruiser, oh, that's just lemon. Again, just regular. But there was peach and raspberry and different flavors of each. But I didn't want to get into all that. I just wanted to do the basic like lemon tea flavored. So now we're gonna have a little wild card. And I don't know how it's gonna be, because we're gonna try this one. I'm not gonna tell you what it is until, actually I'm gonna do it all right down here behind the magic of the counter so you can't see. If I can get it open. There we go. So again, that's more like this one. That's almost exactly like that one. It's slightly carbonated. It's not completely still. Do you hear that? But it's good. I mean, it's kind of sweet, refreshing. I would put that probably here. And what is it, you ask? It's out right there. This is homemade hard Arnold Palmer, half and half, lemonade and iced tea. How did I make it? I mean, I made this in June of 2020. So that's pretty old, but it's still good. I think I made I don't want to get into all the technicalities of home brewing, but we could talk about it one day if you wanted. Basically, you make a sugar wash, and then I think I just steeped tea in it. Or did I ferment the tea and then I stabilized it? No, did I stabilize it? I don't remember if I did or not. And then I added like the frozen lemon juice cans, lemonade cans, and made hard iced tea. It's really not as hard as you think, but for today, I'm gonna drink all of them because I opened them. But let me know what you think. Do you drink hard iced teas, like hard canned, ready-made cocktails of any kind? And that's where I live. That's going to be a new thing soon, where a lot of more places can sell the ready-made cocktails. So we'll see how that goes. Should be interesting. But that's it, guys. Tell me what you think. Hard iced tea, yay or nay? What do you think? I know it's it can be very polarizing to a lot of people, because they drink beer. If you're going to drink a malt product, they drink beer. They don't drink this kind of stuff. They don't drink seltzers. I happen to like them. I think you drink a lot of beer, especially with the I'd like carbonation, but I think with beer carbonation and a lot of the stuff, just the way beer fills me out. Like, I know beer and seltzer are basically the same thing. One's malty and one's clear and fruity, but seltzer doesn't fill me up as much. And a lot of times I find seltzer to be more refreshing. But that doesn't mean I don't like beer. I do like beer, and I will continue to drink beer. But I digress. So there you have it. 4 hard iced teas, either malt or spirit-based, vodka-based, plus a wild card homemade. And we're going to have an enjoyable night here. And I wish that you would do the same wherever you are. But remember, if you're going to drink, please drink responsibly. And subscribe. You don't want to miss any of this. We have a really good time, and I want you to have a good time with us. And remember, hit the bell, because you'll be notified whenever the bar is open. There's always seats here. You can come in and hang out and have a good time with us. Remember, like the video, share the video. It helps us out a lot. And if you want, you can leave us a tip. There's a way for you to do that. It helps us out. It keeps us going, lets us do a lot more things that we want to do and share with you all. And you could also support us by buying some swag. There's a way you can do that. Shirts, hats, glassware, all kind of things. Men, women, whatever. And you can show off your Grantham Pub pirate to all your friends. So, till we meet together again, remember, I'll save a seat at the bar for you. Cheers.